Northeast Ohio charities are working round the clock to protect the most vulnerable Ohioans during the pandemic. But as Ohio's shutdown continues, charities wonder if they will even survive. Our 5 on Your Side investigator, Joe Paganakis, is with us live now. Joe, some state lawmakers are calling on Governor DeWine for help now.
Well, Rob, some state representatives say if Ohio doesn't come up with financial assistance soon, some charities and nonprofits will have no choice but to shut down at a time when Northeast Ohioans need them the most.
It's just horrible. It's scary.
It's been a tough financial road for smaller nonprofits like the Greater Ohio Lupus Foundation. The coronavirus statewide shutdown causing the foundation to lay off its entire staff. Support for some 60,000 lupus patients statewide now strained, with all of the agency's fundraisers in a COVID-19 induced freeze.
All of our walks, all of our big fundraising, no one is focusing on donating to the small nonprofits.
People don't often think of the nonprofit sector.
It's the same financial hurdles for bigger nonprofits like the United Way of Greater Cleveland, which serves 300,000 of Northeast Ohio's most needy. With shrinking charitable financial support due to the COVID-19 crisis, the United Way says it will hurt the ability of nonprofits to help with a coronavirus recovery and hit Northeast Ohio especially hard, with 30% of Cleveland's children already living in poverty.
We have the worst record in America, major cities in America, in childhood poverty. We have the second worst in working age adults and the third worst in seniors.
We really want to see a relief package for nonprofits.
State Senator Nikki Antonio writing this letter to Ohio Governor Mike DeWine, now asking that Ohio suspend dollars nonprofits pay into the state unemployment system. Antonio wants Ohio to come up with state grants and financial support that will help nonprofits survive this coronavirus fiscal emergency.
This needs to be addressed directly, and it needs to be addressed now for these nonprofits. They are so worried.
Representative Antonio says Ohio's governor is looking into coming up with an Ohio non-profit recovery plan, but Rob, it's still not clear if and when that could happen.
Okay, Joe, this proposed plan, this is not just about charitable aid, right? This is also about jobs.
Yeah, the United Way says that 13% of Ohio's jobs are actually nonprofit jobs, so there's going to be a lot of job loss if nonprofits start to close here in Northeast Ohio and across the state, Rob.